Hello, welcome back to Cesim Step by Step Guide for Round 5 Cesim Global Challenge version 2024-2025 in the NBA simulation game free winning guide and tips series. You can check the other video for the overview of the top 10 winning tips. This is the details and step-by-step guide for Round 5. We start with the check the unit result from last round to find the number of sold units so we can calculate the sale forecast for our companies. Check the financial statement, R&D, promotion, sale and profit. Check the market report, units sold, prices, and check the market outlook to have the plan for the investment in production capacity and calculate the sale forecast. We check the demand for each region to calculate sale forecast and check the network coverage forecast to calculate the demand growth for the coming rounds. Remember to invest in new capacity each round so we have enough capacity for production in the coming rounds. From round 5 we focus on take 2 and take 4 in in some region and take 1 and take 3 in the other region. Adjust the marketing decision to get better sale and better profit margin, and focus on logistic decision to distribute enough for each market demand to meet each market demand, and adjust the tax and finance to get optimal profit. If you have any question, you send the email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free personal support for our and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.